Okay, so I got for Christmas the Ikea, like some of their nightstands, but I also got two of the Arstid, how I pronounce it, sorry, lamps. And so I put the first one together and I actually found it to be a bit confusing. So it took a little while, even though the assembly is actually pretty easy. And so I'm just gonna do this video for those who end up doing it and just maybe a little confused by the plastic caps. So let's get going. So I'm opening up the box and I should have brought scissors with me. Here we go. So in the box, you'll have your handy dandy instructions. You'll also have over here, you'll have this, which I have no idea what it's called, but it is to secure the light bulb. Have your lampshade, of course, a light bulb. And then in this kind of section, as you can see, it's a little wonky looking, but it is the top of the lamp shade, or lamp, period. And then we have this. So the cord is very long, and then you have this as well. So let's get to it. So first thing that you do is take off, if you can see, there's this plastic cap here. Actually, that's a lie, you don't take that off. You have this kind of long, wonky thing, and so what you'll do is take off this white cap that you see here. And so where there's a little crack, you just pull it off. And then you just pull the cord so that the screw right here can now twist into the metal part. So I'm gonna do that real quick.
My name is Earl. Can't decide which list item to do today. Push slow Roger down the hill to the porta potty. Forgot the babysitter pregnant. Hey, here's an idea.
Okay, so we're almost there with the base. So, and now with that, we do the same thing at the bottom of the pole. We do this white thing, and again, we pull it from where it's parted. That's the easiest way. Okay, and then from here, you just pull the base. It's a bit tougher to pull than the top part, so just pull harder. It won't break, or at least it shouldn't. But you just pull from the bottom where you see the cord here. Here we go. Or almost here.
Were higher than normal. Even laid back Catalina had her G-string in a bunch.
Okay, now I'm just twisting it.
Yep, something was definitely in the air that morning. Randy, give me my list back. Come get it. Maybe it was a coincidence that people were acting odd. Or maybe it was like how animals get freaked out right before an earthquake or a tsunami or... Oh my God, it's a giant swirly wind chain! Or as they call it on the news.
Okay. And then now I'm just gonna put the base in the plastic tube, and here we go. Okay, now let's screw off the top of the cap. What we'll do is take the cap that we just screwed off, and we're gonna put it back on. Okay, and then of course put the light bulb in. That's pretty standard for any lamp. Then we're gonna twist off the top of this thing, whatever it's called, and then we're gonna put the center opening of the lamp, and then we're gonna twist this part back on. Okay. And now we have our lamp. There you go.